runway news 09er, surface wind 350, 11 knots, varying between 320 and 030 degrees, visibility 10 kilometer or more, scattered 3007. 14, dew point, plus 5, QNH 1034, threshold elevation 613 feet. Bristol information, acknowledge receipt of information, Foxtrot.
Just want to double check it was echo a minute. Bristol Tower, good morning, Golf Lima, Charlie Hotel, Cessna 172 on the south side with information, Foxtrot, ready for engine start.
Okay, Lima, Charlie Hotel, target for afternoon to use, start approved, drop me 09 and yields, QNH 1034.
Start approved, QNH 1034, Golf Lima, Charlie Hotel. The parking brake is on, but I'll cover the brakes just in case. Fuel selectors on both, that's in. Key, that would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
I'm waiting on 09, middle of full patch right now.
Yeah. Throttle quarter in. Master switch is already on. Auxiliary fuel pump. Down it. On. 3 and 5 gallons of it. Good. Okay. And good. One. Beacon can go on. Let's start special 29, a uniform reverse from 203 on. We've got information echo 1034, that's clear.
Good, easy 9185, contact Bristol 136 decimal 075, bye.
136.075, easy 9185, goodbye.
Castle 29 uniform renewal, tar, good afternoon to you, Phil, Kemble.
Flick the radio.
Could take a long way through, I'm
Touch screen. Pump is off.
And Bristol Tower, middle full patch here, we are actually having a local issue here, we're going to need to taxi back off the battery.
That's checked, suction is...
Full size video running, Roger, Bravo X-ray level.
It says,
Back to applicated Bravo, Midland 4520 Romeo. And the takeoff directors obviously cancelled. Roger, cancelled.
Magnets is good, flaps are up, running elevators they're also set. Altimeter 1034 and transponders standby. Actually it's off, but it'll turn out standby.
Level 453 will be left at Bravo 4, stand 15 again, okay? Left at Bravo 4, just say again, stand please, 45 Romeo. 15, thank you.
Pitch tram's working as well. Oh.
Bristol Tower, please, no, yes, have you? Engineer Charlie, will be 5. Well, thank you very much.
Golf Lima, Charlie Hotel, ready for taxi.
Golf Lima, Charlie Hotel, taxi holding point, Hotel X-ray for runway 09.
Taxi holding point, Hotel X-ray for 09, Golf Charlie Hotel. Okay, throttle back, brakes release. Brakes are good.
What are you doing on here?
I just said it has.
Cool.
They've got an autopilot, might as well. It does. At least I managed to get it on the centre line this time.
Bristol 29 uniform Romeo is done 2, could push stop. Bristol 29 uniform Romeo, push stop approved, runway 09, QNH is 1034. Push stop approved, runway 09, 1034, copy. Bristol 29 uniform Romeo. Charlie Hotel, cross runway 09, Hotel X-ray 5, Delta X-ray to Foxtrot X-ray.
Via Hotel X-ray, cross 09, Delta X-ray and hold Foxtrot X-ray, Golf Charlie Hotel. They just have middle in there.
Hello, 47 Foxtrot Romeo, we are still established ILS 09. 47 Foxtrot Romeo, Bristol Tower, good afternoon to you. Continue approach, number 1 to the kidding.
It's not very often I get you over this side.
Yeah. I still get that excitement when I come on this side. You can go somewhere another day.
47 Foxtrot Romeo, good land, runway 09, surface wind 020 degrees, 9 knots. Runway 09, clear to land on 47 Foxtrot Romeo. Charlie Hotel, return.
Ready for close, go Charlie Hotel.
Control Hotel after departure, left on out, leave controlled airspace, final clip and suspension bridge, not above 2,000 feet VFR, score 5070.
After departure, left-hand turn out, clear to leave controlled airspace via the Clifton suspension bridge, not above 2,000 feet VFR, scorpion 5070, Golf Charlie Hotel.
Charlie Hotel, back to after flight, ready for departure.
Welcome, Golf Charlie Hotel. A bit heavy on the brakes there.
Going the other way. Northerly, isn't it? Yeah, sorry. The wind, that's alright. The wind's coming from behind us, not in front of us, yeah?
Oh, okay, I'm with you. Oh, that was a bit rookie error there.
That's alright.
Right, I hope the parking brake's on. Okay, so, I checked aircraft. Well, it's not into wind, but nozzle centered. We've got one of the two.
I like it.
Parking brake is on, T's and P's are all in limits. Clear behind. Yep. 1800.
Brake's not holding.
Oh, keep on tail brake. 1800. Same drop on both sides. Then 125 RPM, T's and P's. All still within limits. Sections in the green arc. Those are idle. I was 1700. Back to 1000. And low volt light is out. Pre-takeoff fuel is on both, and sufficient trimmer is in the takeoff position. Flat instruments are set 1034 and set that again 195. Radios and navigates all. That's all set. Harnesses and hatches, right, good.
Thank you, thank you.
Flight controls. I've already checked those, haven't we? It's a left-hand turn out over the Clifton Bridge, wasn't it?
That's right, and you're happy with where the autopilot disconnect is?
All good, wrong, just 290 from Romeo request taxi. We'll check it. What's your 290 from Romeo taxi, fully one, Golf X-ray. I've got Golf X-ray, Tesla 29, uniform, Romeo. Yep, works. And trim is definitely in takeoff position, cool.
Alright.
Right, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Golf Charlie Hotel, ready for departure. Charlie Hotel, Roger, clear takeoff from my 09, surface wind 360 degrees at north. Clear takeoff 09, Golf Charlie Hotel.
Okay, line lights, strobes are on. Can go right down here. It takes a lot. Get used to taxi this.
It does, yeah.
It'll be exactly the same, but...
No, I still don't like taxiing this. It's terrible.
Okay.
Alright.
Goes to the floor. How's that? Airspeed alive. 55, 60, rotate. That's not a nice noise to hear on takeoff.
What is that?
I think that's something to do with the autopilot. It's made that noise a few times.
Oh, a lovely day.
It's absolutely perfect, isn't it? How's the altitude lower within 1,000 feet then?
Yeah, I can turn that off.
Guess you just got to sail really high, so
Oh, okay.
you've got to get within 1,000 feet of it. And what's that turn out?
He's natural Lima Alpha, target actually, good land coming to an
Before they take you around as an apple already. We get lazy in Charlie Bravo because it doesn't kind of for you, doesn't it?
Exactly, yeah.
Just up to 9 uniform members ready for departure. Official, turn your football mail, Roger, all the complex rate. Complex rate, test short to 9 uniform member. Charlie Hotel, contact Bristol radar 125.65019. 125.650, good day, good Charlie Bravo.
Right. I got it.
Bristol radar Golf Lima Charlie Hotel, now 4 miles to the southwest of the Clifton Suspension Bridge, requesting basic service.
Good. The Lima Charlie Hotel, Bristol radar, good afternoon. It's a basic service on leaving control airspace.
Basic service on leaving control airspace, Golf Charlie Hotel.
There we go. Climb's a lot quicker than I'm used to.
It does, doesn't it? It's quicker. I still like the all-round view.
Oh, it's absolutely fantastic.
On a day like today, anyway, you can see miles.
Yeah, I definitely prefer this.
Yeah, cool. That's quite nice actually then to do a bit while you're training, because then when you get your license, you're just feel happy to use this as well.
Oh, exactly, yeah. Okay, running light, turn it off. What sort of power, 2300 or so?
Do you know, well, 22. They say they want us to use 21 for trial lessons and then lean it loads, but this is a trial lesson. We want to go a bit quicker. Yeah. But I will teach you the leaning. Have you done that?
I haven't No, not for a long time anyway.
That's alright. There's a couple of different ways. You can either do it really slowly by twisting this, or I prefer to find the point where the engine changes sound by just pressing in and pulling back. So I'm lifting the engine. There's the change.
Oh, yeah.
Here, and then I just twist it in 1, 2, 3.
Okay, cool.
And then I would check, so fuel goes as far as like 10 when you don't lean it, and it should come down to about 7 when you do lean it.
Okay, wow, that's quite different.
Yeah.
Fuel is just thrown in for no reason.
Hey?
Sometimes how much fuel just throws in for no reason.
Yeah, definitely. You've got to teach me how to use it. So I never know how to use it.
This is guesswork now.
Is it? Oh.
Well, I've got the little portable one that I use.
Oh, yeah.
But they're all roughly similar. Oh, what was it? EG...
BP.
They'll take us back to Bristol, that's not really much help. Let's do it.
And then, so you can either do it like that, or if you press those, I think you get a map.
I do?
So, yeah.
That's how I thought we would have a map, which is...
But, well, yeah, that's quite a good picture. Sometimes you get a bit of zooming too much, way too much detail.
Yeah. To see airways and things as well.
Yeah.
I really don't want to know. Out of the airspace and start climbing up.
So what's your boundary for the airspace out of interest?
I normally just, once I'm a couple of miles north of the cliffs of Spencer, just so I'm definitely sure.
Yeah, no, that's good.
And well, the Avon Bridge is a bit easier because that's right outside anyway, so I'm sure that that'll be fine. Okay. Bit smooth in there. Up there.
Yeah, it's true. Got to get the foggles, but I'll still make you do some instrument work anyway.
Okay, cool.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, I completely forgot as well. It's all the planes that went. 349.
Yeah, cool. You do a bit of tracking.
I'll just copy free to change to through. Bye-bye.
With leaning, well, I remember when you do your bump pitch checks on downwind, mixture, usually you don't do anything, do you? But this time,
Golf Hotel. What's your intended track through control there? So you're pretty much taking through the overhead.
Directly overhead. Hotel.
Golf Hotel, would you confirm VFR?
VFR.
all set up, looking good. So you're roughly flying heading a 060, would you agree?
Yeah.
I will keep a visual lookout. Just for the next couple of minutes, I need to try and maintain that heading. 3,200 for your altitude. And I will keep a visual lookout.
Good afternoon, Golf Charlie Echo Whiskey Kilo for basic service and road traffic.
Golf Charlie Echo Whiskey Kilo, Bristol, pub details.
Cessna 172 out of Kemble, currently about 5 miles south of Kemble, routing direct back if possible to Western Superman for photography, then back to site in the Bristol City area, and requesting basic service and road traffic.
Golf Whiskey Kilo, remain Alpha Control Echo, basic service, Bristol QNH 1034, squawk 5065.
5065, basic service, remain outside the moment, so Golf Whiskey.
Golf Hotel, can you set the time to altitude 4,000 feet to maintain VMC and Alpha Control Echo?
Understood, 4,000 feet, Hotel.
Golf Hotel, AFM, trying to maintain altitude 4,000 feet, any clear to transit with controlled airspace, routing Cheddar Reservoir, then just west of the overhead, and runway 09 in use at Bristol, report overhead Cheddar.
Report overhead Cheddar, Hotel, climbing down to 4,000 feet.
So it's quite hard to work on a day like today. Are you doing well?
It's really easy to get just fixed or something, isn't it?
Yeah, and then you look at the other and it's totally gone. No, you're doing good. That's the outside air traffic.
Yeah.
That's
Golf Whiskey Kilo, just keep a lookout. There is Cessna 172 traffic opposite direction, just indicating a couple of hundred feet above you and bound to Kemble.
Kilo, Roger, we'll descend a bit to make that.
Golf Charlie Hotel, opposite direction traffic, just called me out of Kemble. So just very slightly left of you 12 o'clock, 300 feet beneath you, opposite direction.
Looking Golf Charlie Hotel.
okay, we can leave that scan for a bit and look out. I haven't spotted him yet.
So you're asking me to find it and...
Sorry.
Never happened.
No, interrupt. Where are you?
Golf Whiskey Kilo, due inbound traffic on runway 09, direct to Western's not going to be available, I'm afraid. If you route towards Clevedon, VRP, and clear to transit, not about altitude 2,000 feet, VFR, on QNH 1034.
Yeah, it's not 100 feet below.
That's copy. Bristol with the opposite direction. Bristol 172, clear to transit via Clevedon, not about 2,000 feet, VFR.
Golf Whiskey Kilo.
Guessing they passed.
Possibly.
We could always switch here, can't we? So if that traffic's passed, can we switch over to Kemble?
Mr. Rollergod, Lima Charlie Hotel, requesting pre-call to Kemble on 118.19.
Golf Charlie Hotel, you've passed the beam opposite direction traffic and squawk 7,000, pre-call Kemble 118.19.
Cool, so free call Kemble 118, this one out with passive traffic. Thank you very much, Golf Charlie Hotel.
Cool, there's Golf 2. And I'll try to work out how far away from Kemble, yeah? 11.5 miles from Kemble.
Yes, excellent.
Roger, understood, and report downwind. Traffic should be just turning downwind for a full stop.
Roger, visual.
That's the same guy there when I was cross country. Probably there all the time, to be fair.
Yeah.
just had the NDV point to the left this whole time, but the wind's coming out of the north anyway, so...
Golf Bravo Kilo, down to runway 08.
Kilo, roger, report final.
Okay, Golf Bravo Kilo.
Good.
Still better on there. Go back on instruments and try and do it better. I wonder if that works. I could use that to stay on the GPS track.
What's that?
Switch that to GPS, so that should be able to...
Oh.
I like that.
Oh, I learned something new from you, and this is great.
I suppose it's like GPS, I thought.
That, yeah.
See what it'll do. I'm loving that.
We better give him a call, shall we?
Yeah.
Kemble information, Golf Lima Lima Charlie Hotel, 9 miles to the southwest. Reporting airfield information, join instructions.
Golf Lima Lima Charlie Hotel, good afternoon. Heavy details runway 08, right hand in use. QFE 1018.
What was it? 108.
Runway 08, right hand, QFE 1018, and are we okay for the straight in for runway 08, Golf Charlie Hotel?
Charlie Hotel circuit is active, 1 in remaining.
Golf Charlie Hotel, thanks. Golf Uniform Zulu, right, okay, we'll keep an eye on this.
Stop.
I'll be fine until I see the airfield test.
South Lima Kilo final 08.
Golf from a Kilo, runway 08, landing. Switch 020 degrees, 15 knots.
Oh, I did Golf Lima Kilo.
Oh, airfield's right there.
Yeah, for a nice one straight in, he's just landed.
Golf Echo Yankee, roger, hold position.
Holding position, Golf Echo Yankee.
I just want to go for the canopy then. Yeah, I've gone 5 mile final.
Turning final.
Uniform Zulu, runway occupied, 1 on to vacate. Golf from a Kilo, welcome to Kemble, when ready, 180 backtrack.
Nice backtrack, Golf Lima Kilo.
If I keep your speed up, vacate next left about 600 metres.
Copy that, Lima Kilo. Golf Charlie Hotel, 6 mile right base, runway 08 to land.
Charlie Hotel, roger, report final, 1 ahead.
Report final, Golf Charlie Hotel.
Uniform Zulu, roger, report downwind. Traffic is 172 per straight in from the west.
That's actually helped it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, in a bit.
Golf X-ray Whiskey is at refuel station. Request permission to taxi.
You want to do it to go?
X-ray Whiskey, what's the taxi with side? Taxi with side, Golf X-ray Whiskey. Golf Echo Yankee, taxi Delta 1.
Taxi Delta 1, Golf Echo Yankee.
Delta to land.
Left turn onto Golf, park next to the white PA28 immediately to the east of the tower.
Left turn onto Golf, park next to the P28 to the tower, Golf Lima Kilo.
Report climbing 020 degrees 12.
You could feel Aston down there, don't you?
Oh yeah. There's a little airfield there.
Yeah, so there's 2 there. I think that's Aston.
Ready for departure.
One over there as well.
Golf Echo Yankee, Delta 1, report lined up runway 08.
Golf Echo Yankee.
Oh yeah, it's Aston.
Uniform Zulu, roger, report that way.
Yeah, and then it's still a bit further on the ridge, isn't it? Cool. Like it.
Golf Charlie Hotel, 4 mile final, third as you go to, right?
Golf Charlie Hotel, roger, report 2 mile.
We'll go Golf Charlie Hotel.
Alright, the GPS, you know exactly where you are. Not there, sort of looking at things going, I'm sure that's it.
Yeah, no, it's good.
I had that flight a few times.
Yankee, runway 08, take off your discretion, 30 degrees, 10 knots.
Taking off, Golf Echo Yankee. I don't think we land on the short narrow runway as well.
Oh, well, is that all handed? Oh.
It was right at 220, so it wasn't really a choice of getting anywhere else.
Ah.
God's sake. They landing lights on. Good up.
And last but not least, yeah.
Right. Get in the wire.
The first lot can come down, that's it, and then the second lot when you're in the white.
Oh, right, okay.
So you can get the first lot to slow you down. But, perfect.
Go, that's full front.
Golf Uniform Zulu downwind.
Uniform Zulu, roger. 1 ahead on straight in, 2 mile final, report final.
Report final and 1 ahead. Golf Uniform Zulu.
And Uniform Zulu, that traffic is for a touch and go.
Roger. Golf Charlie Hotel, 2 mile final, touch and go.
Golf Charlie Hotel, runway 08, touch and go, your discretion, 040 degrees, 10 knots.
Touch and go, discretion, Golf Charlie Hotel.
Sorry. Straighten out your feet there, so. Okay. There, cross them. Back.